Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your current bank account to the NerdWallet app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start keeping track of your finances, and you want to go ahead and connect your current bank to it, or you want to connect your current bank to the NerdWallet app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the NerdWallet app. Next, click on the three lines in the upper left-hand corner. From here, click on Financial Info, then click on Linked Financial Institutions. Next, click on Add Your First Account, and then on this page here, it's going to ask you to accept some terms and services. Accept those terms, and then go ahead and click on Continue as Guest on the bottom. Next, you're going to look for Current, which is right over here, and then go ahead and share your phone number with Current so that you can actually go ahead and connect which account you want connected to the NerdWallet app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your current bank account with the NerdWallet app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.